Neighbors can't agree on what to do about an issue underneath Las Vegas. Septic tanks, again, the topic of a Southern Nevada Health District meeting earlier this morning.
8 News Now reporter James Schaefer joins us live in the newsroom tonight. He's been covering this story for months and has an update on if anything has changed on this high-cost issue impacting thousands. James.
Brian, Sasha, this mainly impacts people in rural neighborhoods. That's Lone Mountain, Moapa Valley, Blue Diamond, just to name a few. Neighbors who, if required to hook up to the public sewer system, for some, which is miles away, could cost thousands of dollars.
What can you do to fix this? Because this is unacceptable.
Lori Stutton and her neighbors say that was one of their questions for the Southern Nevada Health District's board regarding proposed changes for septic systems, a topic at a morning meeting. Changes which could cost some tens of thousands of dollars to move on to new hookups for the city sewer system.
I hope that the answer is that they leave us alone, grandfather us in, or just leave the regulations the way they are, the way they were when we purchased our home.
This change impacting many rural neighbors on private family systems, still possibly impacting around 18,000 households, which includes around 14,000 tanks, with an option to opt into a program for a $226 recurring fee.
The ultimate goal is to put forward to the Board of Health, which I'm the chair of currently, a set of regulations that really maintains the goal of public health from the health district.
The board's chair and North Las Vegas Mayor Pro Tem Scott Black says they received a lot of feedback at the meeting, but that was the goal for a process which initially sought to save hundreds of millions of gallons of water to be reused. But for now, this is about feedback and finding a middle ground underground.
It's an important topic. It's something that deals with people's property. It deals with their quality of life. It deals with their finances. And, they want answers. They want clarity. And we'll work through that process.
Now I want to reiterate some of the concerns we heard from some of those neighbors you didn't hear from. They mentioned that they are concerned with this cost to hook up, which could impact resale, asking why now, and requesting for those miles away from a system to be carved out or grandfathered in. We await to see what changes, if anything, once it goes through before the board. Brian.
Some county officials have said at these meetings hundreds of millions of gallons of water could be recaptured, recycled, and reused annually if these changes are made. The next meeting expected for February.